What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video. Hope you're doing great, and today it's time for us to watch our weekly dose of idiots in cars doing what they do best, of course. This is episode number 140, so without any further ado, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this now. Alrighty, let's get started. Attention BMW driver, your brake subscription has expired. And if you buy the Buckle Up bundle, you get the working airbags too. Anyways, literally nobody. The Arabs. Check this out, kids. This is how you do a donut. Well, not like this, but you get the idea. Whack! I don't like your car, man. This street is too small for both of us. Someone has to go. Whoa, 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 whoa. This looks like a Canadian police chase. Because the speed they're doing is criminally slow. Stop right there, you maniac. You're doing 25 in a 15 zone. Bro's probably hoping they're gonna run out of fuel. But anyways, on to the next one we go. Let's see here. Oh, I see a little detour, a little shortcut, why not? And if it looks stupid but it works, it ain't stupid, because how they're gonna take your license if you don't have one? Oh, looks like someone is utilizing all of his speed and power. Woo! Hoo! Power! I'm getting out of here, boys. Oh, that sounded good, not gonna lie. That was not your typical BMW because he didn't crash, which is an improvement, of course. But anyways, let's see. Will he find the parking space? Booyah! He found the pole position and parked neatly right next to it. What was that all about? Hey, yo, this is not Super Mario Bros. Stop throwing at us. Can't believe bro was playing Super Mario in real life. Whoa! Dearie me. The T-bone is one of the worst bones you can get. Anyways, we are moving on. Oh, what is that red car? Oh, what the hell is that monstrosity on the left? Oh no! And now it's on the right in a ditch, but in the case of a flood, he's gonna be safe. And the boys were cruising, but that Crown Vic had to ruin everything. Whoa, whoa, no. Unfortunately, we all know what's coming. No! I don't know how he didn't even feel the trailer was up. The handling of a truck must have been terrible, and he still didn't notice. Unbelievable, but let's see here. And it's a pole position! But at what cost? The whole neighborhood doesn't have the power now. And would you look at this dude, he's chilling. They see me roll and they hating. He doesn't give a flying F. And do you maybe know how rich people play peekaboo? No! Exactly like that. If you crash your Porsche, you can always buy another one. No, it's a Prius. Establishing dominance on the road over these peasants who are not driving hybrids. Let's see here. Right, bro has a beef with a trash can. And that cat was like, I was sleeping in there, you stupid. Oh my, whoa, 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 chill out, bro. That was aggressive. I just hope the 5-0 is gonna react to this dingleberryness. Oh, I think they saw what he did. You got hit by whoop whoop. But it looks like he has some other ideas. But it's not a good one, he's not too bright. You ain't getting away, bro. You ain't. Oh, there's more. Maybe they were chasing him before this, who knows? But in any case, that little maneuver he pulled didn't help him at all. Hey, yo, what the hell are you doing, bro? Is this a... Oh, I see, Nice, that's nice. At first I thought it was a road rage, but I'm glad it wasn't. And now, here we have a legendary battle between a bus and a car. And also they're racing for pink slips, by the way, which means the winner gets to keep the loser's car. Or in this case, that could be a bus, and now the bus is going full power, trying to overtake the car. But will he manage to overtake the car? We'll see. The car is fighting back, and it's like, nope, you ain't getting through. And also there's a little bit of trash talking from both sides, and Joe Mama jokes, but they're not giving up. And some say they're still racing. That was a cliffhanger for sure. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Me.
Oh
That
my
was
god.
a biggie. That was a pure stupidity in action right there. Unbelievable. But anyways, we are moving on to the next one. Whoa, that was incredibly stupid move. Oh, well deserved. Well deserved. You play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. No, 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 break. Ooh, looks like our challenger here got a little bit carried away with all of that speed and power. And it's also safe to say that he quickly became a Dodge challenged. Man gotta do what man gotta do. Well, if it works, it works. But I'm not sure if the police is gonna like this. But it is what it is. Let's see what is going on here. The BMW is like, power, I'm faster than you, peasant. Make way for the royal. Oh, that's not gone well. I mean, he kinda asked for it, so yeah. Whoa, chill out, lawnmower. I don't know why people just decide to yeet their cars across 3 lanes to take an exit. I find it very strange, to say the least. And in this case, there's not a single excuse for doing this. It's just stupid. And here it seems like we have another attempt to turn left. Will it be successful? We'll see. Booyah! Oh, that was surprisingly a light touch. A love tap, as we call it. Whoa, bro, where are you going? No, whoa! Looks like the bro's controller disconnected. He did a full circle, got a pole position or a traffic light position, and drove on 2 wheels while he was doing the 360. What else do you need? Oh, would you look at that? My life wasn't a lie after all. That Prius hit a fire hydrant and then boom, here we are. Instant fountain. But anyways, let's see here. This can only go well, right? Oh no, no! That guy had to make a choice. Either he was gonna crash into that guy in front or the dashcam guy. Or maybe to go around him on the left, but I think it was already too late for that. Whoa, bro! What the hell? I know having to drive a minivan is a painful experience, but you gotta chill out. Anyways, on to the next one. Damn, bro. And yet again, it's the BMW. Making a big mess. Don't go anywhere. Don't try to play it off. And it looks like we are going from one BMW to another. Oh, hello there. Don't ram us off the road, please. And don't bully your way into a lane. Oh, there we go. He's mad now. Now, this is the typical BMW driver. Makes a mistake, makes a mess, and he's the one that's mad. It's funny. Well, I mean, it is funny and it's not at the same time. And here comes again. Come on, bro, just move on with your life. You made a mistake, admit it, go, move on. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed in today's episode of Dingleberries on the Road. And if you did, please smack that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, of course, and leave a comment as well. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Thank you again for the support. That's it for today. Don't forget to power every day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.